Hi friends, before I start my videos for MCQ, I want to rectify one of my mistake that in previous video I told that duopoly means two buyers. So sorry, it is two sellers. Two sellers are there who are purchasing, who are just selling their commodity, and many buyers are there who are purchasing it. So sorry, and again I have to excuse for it, and you have to know that duopoly means two sellers are there who are selling their product in the market, and many buyers are there who have to purchase it, and you have to give a closer look to all these market types, so that we have to start our MCQ for market structure, so that I have to know that what I have to explain, you have to understand it or not. Let's start MCQ for market structure. First question: the economics sees the essential future of the market as a building in which goods are brought by a contract, relationship between buyers and sellers. It is a universality, its guarantee of fairness in all dealings. What is market? We have to know that in a first class of market structure only we have to read that market is a place where buyers and sellers selling their products and purchasing it. So that here you have to know that the economy shows the essential future is that the relationship between buyers and sellers. The buyers are purchasing their commodity what they need, and sellers what they have to produce, they have to sell in the market. A firm gets maximum profit means say what is the equilibrium point, and we have to know that it's too easy question. MR equal to MC, and MC should cut MR from below. So both is there, so that we have to take the point C. The firm gets maximum profit when MR equal to MC, and MC should cut MR from below. What about the third question? Which is the best definition of a marginal firm? Which is the best definition of a marginal firm? You have to remember that marginal firm definition is that the efficient firm in the industry, the firm which earns the maximum profit, the firms which equate the principle of MC equal to MR, the firm which gets only normal profit, and the option D is the right one. The firm which gets normal profit is known as marginal firm. We have to tell that whatever the result of the student, marginal, average means normal is there means it is called marginal. So you have to know that when normal profit is there, you have to tell that this base definition of the marginal firm. What is the break even point? Break even point is nothing but the equilibrium point. When there is no profit, no loss is there, and it is a point of what? Stability. It is called as break even point when there is no profit, no loss. What about the question number 5? A farm shutdown point is reached when? You have to remember that I have to explain the shutdown point, where the shutdown point start. The average revenue fell to cover average total cost. Second point, average revenue fell to cover average variable cost. Third point, average revenue fall to cover marginal cost, and marginal revenue fell to cover marginal cost. And option B is the right one. When average revenue fall to coverage the average variable cost, means when price is less than average variable cost, then we have to shut down, we have to close our business. It is called shutdown point. Question number 6: under condition of monopoly in the labor market, trade union can raise the wage rate by without changing employment. It is related to monopsony. You have to know that monopsony at the time I have to forget to tell. Suppose you have to know that a cooperative society is there for sugarcane or different type of agricultural things. They only purchase all the sugarcane from this farmers and give to sugar companies only, because if cooperative is not there, all the people they may, some people they have to give high rate, some people they have to give less rate. So in monopoly, a market cooperative is there, a government related and non-government institutions are there, they only purchase product from it. So that under condition of monopsony in the labor market, trade unions can raise their wage rate by without changing employment. You have to remember it very important. Sometimes I also feel confusion increasing the employment or decreasing the employment. Nothing is there without changing employment. What is the question number 7? Assume that a farmer sell his produce to an agricultural marketing board. He is not allowed to sell to any other institution or to any other person. In effect, the board is firm in the view of a very easy answer, monopsony. Previously, now only I have to give this example only. In bilateral monopoly, I have to show the picture. I told that when we have to discuss about the MCQ, it is important. Bilateral means single buyer, single seller is there. You have to close your eyes and tick it, and it is right one only.